Hey everyone, it's Katie again, and I'm here for part 2 of my DIY series, Dollar Store Win or Bust. I hope you enjoyed the first video, the string art. Today I'm going to be trying a rectangle wood photo kit. I got this at Dollarama. Don't think the price is on it, but I want to say it was $3.50 or $4, something like that. It came with pretty much everything you need. It came with a wooden base that you can work with, a collage medium, as well as some gold wood paint. And something cool it came with as well are these gold stickers that you can then use to accessorize your final image. So on the instructions it says I need to print out a photo onto plain printer paper. So I went ahead and did that. I'm going to try using a photo from our wedding. The only thing that I'm not sure about, I don't know if it's a mistake in the instructions or what, but it says to print your photo as an 8x10. And when I did that and I put it on top of the wooden board, this is 8.5 by 11. So I wasn't sure if maybe they wanted a border to be left, because it does mention painting the, what does it say? Painting the sides of the panel with the gold paint that it comes with. But on the box itself, there's no border around the image. I even tried flipping the panel the other way and seeing if it would fit inside, but that's not 8x10 either. So I don't know why it says to print it 8x10. I didn't quite like how it looked, so I actually trimmed mine down to be a bit smaller than that. And I've come up with a way to decorate the border around the photo. And I think it's gonna look pretty cool, hopefully. We'll just have to see what happens. So I'm gonna start reading these instructions, see what I need to do next, and let's see how it turns out. just finished the wood photo kit. I actually tried it twice. I'll get to this one in a second, but this is the final product of the piece of wood that actually came with the kit. As you can see, I added to it a little bit with some gold leaf sheets. I think it turned out all right. It took a little bit more work than I was expecting just to get it the way that I wanted it to look. Again, that instruction that said to print the photo out as an 8x10, I don't know why it said that, so that kind of made it a little bit more difficult to work with. So if you do get one of these kits, ignore the 8x10 instruction and just go with an 8.5x11 so that you can cover the entire wooden base. But if you want to try something like what I did and have fun with the border, then print whatever size you want. Some pictures I know look better smaller, and maybe doing an 8.5x11 will kind of crop it in a weird way or something like that. And you can also see the kit came with these little stickers, so I threw one on there just to show you what it looks like. They're just little clear vinyl stickers, and they say a lot of little cute things. Because I did run into a few problems with this following the instructions in the kit, I decided to give it another try, but changing a few things. So this one is actually a photo that I adhered to a canvas from the dollar store. This is an 8x10 canvas, so the photo I printed was the perfect size. I also tried printing on a different kind of paper for this one. I had some leftover parchment paper, so it was a little bit off-white and it was a little bit thicker, and I found that the quality of the print was better. But I didn't really notice any difference in terms of it adhering better or looking better after applying the top coat of the collage adhesive. The main complaint I have with this kit is, and it could definitely be something on my end, I'm 99% sure my printer is an inkjet printer, but it's also an old printer. It's at least 10 years old. And so I found with both images, color and black and white, as soon as I put that top coat on to give it that harder, shiny look, it really messed with the coloring. So on the color print, it kind of blended the ink a little bit. Nothing crazy, but you definitely noticed a change in the quality of the print. And for the black and white, it actually brought out some red and green tones. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it went from being a true black and white image to, I don't know, not black and white. But depending on the look you're going for, maybe it could work. I think your best bet is to either be 150% sure that your printer is inkjet and is maybe a newer model. I don't know if the year of mine makes a difference or not. And if you don't have access to a newer printer, or you're not sure what type of printer you have, maybe just try going to an Office Depot or a Staples, some type of office supply store that offers printing, and just have them print your image out onto a piece of paper. Make sure they're using an inkjet printer, and that may solve that problem. I still think it's a really cute idea, selling this type of kit. It wasn't my favorite. It didn't give me the results that I really wanted They weren't terrible, but again, there were some things that I was really disappointed with, and I ended up having to kind of put my own spin on some things to fix problems that I was running into, or, you know, not liking how things were going by following the instructions to a T. But that's kind of what DIY is about anyway. You know, the instructions are just like a starting point, and then you kind of have the freedom to make it your own. So that part I do like, and I did have fun kind of coming up with these gold designs and putting my own little spin on them. So that, I would call this one a win for the most part. There are some things that you kind of have to tweak and kind of work around. It can end up producing a pretty cute piece of decor. And again, you can kind of use stuff you already have on hand to make it your own, take it to the next level, and just have fun with it. So I hope you enjoyed this part 2 of my DIY Dollar Store Winner Bus series, and I will see you in the next video.